Throughout all the chaos of human evolution, there is one thing which stays consistent, and that is nature. We belong to nature, we come from nature, and there is nothing possible without nature. We are living in such a beautiful world and are being surrounded by limitless things, new technologies, busy schedules, worthless confusions, frustrated minds, and negativity. Throughout all the chaos of human evolution, there is one thing which stays consistent, and that is nature. We belong to nature, we come from nature, and there is nothing possible without nature. And nature has provided us many things like fruits and vegetables for our stomach, medicines to cure illness, wood for furniture and paper, water, and many things. Despite it, we are not giving much importance to nature. So taking some time out of busy schedules, start spending some time each day outside with nature, seeing what is happening around, observing the things that are never seen before, increasing the awareness of surroundings, and start having the pleasure of nature's ambience. Pleasure can be taken like by sitting in a park, putting off the shoes, inhaling the fresh air filled with happiness, sound of wind moving through leaves, and sound of birds, and also by communicating and interacting with nature. Interacting with nature is an excellent way to unlock creativity, generate new and profound ideas. It also makes a person to be more inventive, innovative, and positive, and it also helps in achieving dreams. We can connect our dreams with nature, not directly dreams, but by getting inspired or motivated for our dreams by nature. It can only help us in achieving our dreams. Giving a few examples, like a science student can hope for a new invention by continuously associating with nature. A photographer can get unique pictures or snap unique pictures. A fashion student can get inspired for his or her garments through nature. And for achieving these dreams, we need to interact with nature. And nature is people, animals, birds. Actually, nature is not bound in only animals, birds, trees. It also includes morning's fresh air, noon sunlight, night stars, deserts, rain, and plants or growing plants. Growing plants is the best way to connect with nature, as how much we care for it, it gets reflected into its growth. And when we put a seed in the soil, we get earnest for its we get excited for its growth, and after seeing its little increment, we have elation in our heart. We feel very much happy. Too often we find ourselves stuck in the known, comfortable, familiar. So taking some time out of it, we should try once growing plants, as it would make us very much happy and make our heart very much calm. Now pursuing my speech to the end, as I spoke in the very starting that we are living in very beautiful world or nature. So being the part of this beautiful world and nature, we should feel blessed and give silent thanks to the nature that we have privilege of enjoying these beautiful gifts by nature. Thank you.